Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. Alright, so in this video we're going to be going over Dobinsons Leaf Springs. I got the heavy duty version. They do make a couple different ones. You can choose what you want to go with for your own build. But for me, I went with the heavy duty. I believe it's 810 pounds is what they're rated for. Now I don't have this completely unwrapped because it's not on the truck yet, and I just want to keep it packaged until I actually get it going on the truck. You can see here, you got 7 leaves, very heavy duty. These hold up, like I said, 800 pounds. So if you're going to do a build and you have like a rack and a tent and everything on the back of your truck, I highly recommend picking these up because you're going to add a lot of weight to this thing very quickly when you start loading it up. So this is basically what you get. I got these opposite of each other just so it's a little easier to film. But you can see down here, the one side is much bigger than the other side. So the small hole is the rear of the truck, big hole, front of the truck. Now there's bushings and stuff that you can buy from them as well that all come with this. That's what I got up here. You can go back, check out the whole install video, or you can go back and check out just the parts video that I put out similar to this one. But everything comes with it. You can get the bushings and stuff in there. They make greasable pins, all that stuff to keep these things quiet while they're on the truck. And then I'm not going to do a video on these separately because this is kind of to go with this 100%. Basically in here is just some U-bolts, and that will bolt up to here just to hold this in place when it's in there. And the reason you get these is because, of course, you got a much beefier leaf. They're way taller, so the stock ones on the vehicle will not fit. So you either got to go to the store and buy these, or just so you don't have the headache of having to go shopping, order ones like this straight from Dobinson. You can see in here, you got a heavy duty nut. They come with a couple washers to keep it all spaced properly. So you can get these on the truck. You reuse the plate underneath what these bolt into. On my truck, you have to modify it slightly just because of the heavier duty spring. And these are a little bit thicker of a bolt. So you may have to modify that depending what you're putting it on. But other than that, just as simple as ordering these when you order the kit. For a few extra bucks, why not? Peace of mind, gets it out of the way. You don't have to worry about forgetting the part. And when you want to go to install these, everything's right here, ready to go. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon. So if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.